My name's Theo Youds. I'm from Andover in Hampshire, and I study integrated masters in aerospace engineering. So when you study aerospace engineering, your first 2 years are common with mechanical engineering, automotive, and medical. It allows you to learn about the wider field of engineering and spend time with students from all different courses across the whole school. And actually, it helps you really understand what it is you want to specialize in. The School of Mechanical Engineering has a range of different labs. Prototyping labs that you'll be using for your design and manufacture modules when you're building things, but also analysis labs that we'll be using for wind tunnels, all sorts of thermofluids and all sorts of exciting stuff. When you get into the final 2 years, that's when you really start to focus on your specific field of engineering. And that was a really exciting time because you're suddenly learning about all the things that you've been sort of waiting to learn more about. In your third year, you do an individual project, which is kind of similar to a dissertation. And then in the fourth year, you get to work on a team project. Now, for me, this was like the really exciting part. You're working in a team of 4 or 5 students with an academic supervisor, and that's often sponsored by an industry partner as well. We're trying to build a control system that will help rockets fly straighter. The School of Mechanical Engineering have also been really supportive of student projects. So I run the Leeds University Rocketry Association. They've provided guidance, support and funding. So we're the first ever rocket building team at Leeds. During our first year, we focused on designing and building our first high-power rocket and taking it to a competition called the Spaceport America Cup. And it's held every year in the New Mexico desert at the Spaceport America. It's really allowed me to pursue one of my passions alongside my course and integrate that into everything that I learn. I did a research internship with the School of Mechanical Engineering, looking at the aerodynamics of rocket fins, which I found really helpful to give me some extra work experience, but also give me some more experience working on a research project on my own, which if I decide to pursue with a PhD or something, or even just my third year individual project, it was really helpful to gain those skills. You'll have a personal tutor at Leeds helping you get to grips with university and your life at Leeds. There's a range of support available at the union, and there's the Engineering and Physical Sciences employability team as well that will help you gear up to whatever it is that you're going to do when you graduate. So Leeds is a really beautiful and diverse city. You've got great countryside surrounding it, and then in the city you have all the shops, clubs, bars, restaurants that you'd ever want. And so there's always things to do. For me it was a mix of a good place to do my studies and a great place to spend 4 years being a student.